Hello, everyone. This is Jim Krasinski with your week two. Yes, week two screencast video. So I'll be pushing this out on Sunday. Remember, the responses to the ice-breaking discussion board are due end of day on Sunday, and I'll begin grading out those particular discussion boards Monday into Tuesday. Now, week 2 and 3. Primarily, we're going to talk about week two. I've got the complete course module, learning module open here. So you want to make sure you become aware with the readings, resource, and activities. I've added in some information here, just a PDF here for the art of summarizing. I've kind of streamlined this particular page here. Let me get to my next. This week you have a couple of discussion boards. These are going to take a bit of work. One thing I do have also is the AI resources for successful outcomes page. It is a interesting page to help you understand how to use AI for reading and comprehending, how to be a prompt engineer, to write prompts. Yes, I know you're all thinking, why is my professor offering up all of this information about AI? I encourage you to have an open mind, take on the task of using AI if you intend to use AI to help you as a tool, as a resource, to perhaps maybe understand assignments a little bit better. If you're struggling, you could use it for brainstorming, organization, some of those tools that sometimes pose problems for everybody, to be honest with you. I have a couple of interesting videos in here, both by Jeff Sue. He's got a pretty good presence out on YouTube about using artificial intelligence. So about writing prompts is the first one, and then using Google's Gemini prompting guide is a little bit more in depth. They're about 8 minutes, 9 minutes apiece, but I can guarantee you they will give you a much needed background and how to use AI as a tool. So that is the AI resources for successful outcomes page in the unit here. Remember, if you're going to use AI for anything, you have to turn around and disclose and reflect. All right, that is the AI policy in the syllabus. So the first discussion board due, I believe, on Tuesday is a summary of why we're obsessed with the mind-blowing ChatGPT. Stephen Shanklin's article there is the first prompt there. You can follow along with the instructions here. The next discussion board would be due on Friday is Sabrina Ortiz's article about ChatGPT. Same thing, read it and provide a 250-word summary. Two responses are accompany both discussion boards. Those are due Sunday. All right. So we're going to use this information to build into the AI essay that'll be coming next week. So this will get you started for the week. So if you have any questions or issues about what's coming up this week, please send me an email.